So this is what we have done on the Spring Fund. Me and Ahmed was working on Google social media login. So this is the login with Google part. We had to create a Google search console and get a token for us and specific token. And this is where we handle all the information that we are going to receive to our database. And one thing I have to add is that we don't have a physical database to show you guys because we create the database itself in our coding. So because it is a JSON format, so we just pass through to the database. So that's how the Firestore works. So this is where we retrieve the data and we put it into where. The second part is also very similar to Google one, but little bit of hassle to hook up Facebook because it has a lot of restrictions when it comes to privacy. And so this is where I hook up the API and the JSON file itself from the Facebook, and we pass the security token in here, and then we get a stringified security token in here as well. So, and the next part I've been working on is the homepage. It is also a collaboration work, and this is where we define UI and UI components with the text alignments and coloring and everything. So as you can see, we have defined text alignments and all the navigation systems in there. And the most crucial part I've been working on was settings and account settings page. So this is the basic settings page. And this settings page, you can see I have defined all the icons and everything. It retrieves from a JSON file, and we don't keep a lot of memory in leakage. So that's why we always keep it in simple way to get it through the JSON, and we load it onto the screen. And this is the other part that I've been working on very strictly, and it was a challenge to get the image processing done, because in the account settings you have to have upload your images, emails, and verifications and validations, sort of validations in there. So this is where I did that, and I have using another separate Alamo file library for image processing, so we don't stack up the memory. So this is where the integration of the API, and this is the third-party integration module that I'm working on. And the edit section is where load balancing technique is applied. Thank you so much.